Create a stunning travel guide presentation using Canva, all in just a few minutes. Open a new video project in Canva. Now, type out all the text you'll be using for your presentation. Trust me, this will save you a lot of time later on. Add a white page as your starting canvas and go to Elements. Search for Teardrop under Frames and drag the one you like onto the page. Rotate it slightly and position it on the left side of the screen. Now, change the border color to white to blend it with the background. With your first teardrop in place, duplicate it 3 times and arrange the frames like a flower. Select all 4, then group them together so you can move and scale easily. Back to Elements. Now search for your image theme. In this case, I'll search for Madrid, since this is a travel guide. Under Photos, choose an image that you like. Click to add it to the canvas. Then drag it into the first teardrop frame. Double-click the image and rotate it to -180 degrees, then hit Done. Repeat this step for the remaining frames using different images. Now that all the frames are filled, increase their size to create visual impact. Move the group so that the first teardrop is in the right corner. Press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Drag it to the top, stretch it across, and set the color to a light gray. Increase corner rounding to around 65 for a softer look. Go to your title text page. Stack all the text one on top of another. Select all, go to the 3 dots. Copy and paste all the headings onto your main page. Place them over the rectangle. Adjust the size slightly if needed, and drag them up. Go to Position. Select the first text and drag it down. Now copy and paste the description text like you did with the title. Stack it one over another, adjusting the size if needed. Then, select all descriptions and drag them down. Go to Position. Select and drag up the first description. Don't forget to drag in guides to align the edges of your frame and text. Then go to File, Settings, and lock them. Set your page duration to 2 seconds. Then duplicate the page. On the new page, go to Position. Update the text to the next location, for example, Barcelona, Spain. Delete the previous one. Do the same for the description text. Select it, drag it up, and delete the old text. Now, rotate the grouped flower frame to point in a new direction, representing a new city. Repeat this process for all your locations, rotating the group, updating the title and text, and duplicating pages as needed. Aim for 4 pages total. Expand your timeline view, and between each page, add a match and move transition. Increase the duration to 1 second. Then apply the transition between all pages. Go to Page Timing. Set the duration to around 1.5 to 2.5 seconds, then apply to all pages. Now fine-tune your text animations. On each page, trim the title and description layers so they only appear on the page they belong to. Then, go to Animate, select Fade, and choose on Exit Only. Do this for all pages except the last one. And that's it. A gorgeous travel guide presentation built entirely in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.